It's not so lazy.
All of them are that lazy.
I think they're all lazy.
What, you don't want to try and touch him?
Grab him.
Master Yoda, is Darth Vader my father?
Yes. Either Darth Vader or Paul Reiser. They don't want to know which one is your real father, so they're going to raise you together.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got some more of that.
You're squishy. But you don't touch me. Like, what are you doing?
Cat's like, I will eat you.
Master Yoda, no!
I'm very ticklish. So.
Hi, Senator Slimmer.
You done?
Yeah, it's always gonna be bad. It's kind of scary.